Hello guys, also I want to show us how you can add items using the P8 terminal. So you go for more and then you go to stock adjustments. So you see, you go to stock adjustment. So we want to receive, you can do perform stock count, you can receive item, you can record loss, record damaged goods, and then you can view the stock adjustment history. So let's say we are receiving new stock and then we receive items, we search for the item. So see how beautiful this is. It will pop up all the items and then it can show you the categories. Very beautiful, whether it is biscuits, carton, camot and all that. So let me say we're going for item and we want to see Hollandia. See, so immediately I type Hollandia. See, so I'm going for Hollandia sachet, continue, and BO received the input of about 80 pieces. You see, to show you that it's adding, and then we will save it. We'll save the stock adjustment. We'll skip, save. Beautiful. So we can look at the adjusted stock. See, so your BOs can now do stock adjustment and all that, even stock count using their P8 terminal. Is this not beautiful, guys? Yes, it is.